I had problems with high blood pressure, with cholesterol, triglycerides, and diabetes, and I really felt terrible. Not only did I feel terrible, I looked terrible. People saw that in me, and I saw it in myself. But honestly, I was really almost giving up hope. At 74 years old, I figured my body's just deteriorating, my organs are deteriorating, and that's part of the life cycle. But I didn't want to give up, and I contacted Dr. Calapai. When you need to go beyond, he's the person to go to. We made an appointment. He took the blood tests, found out what I was lacking, what needed to be done, felt that a stem cell infusion would probably benefit me tremendously. So I agreed to do it that day, and it was probably the best decision I ever made in my life, because 3 months later, as I went back and got retested, my triglycerides were 540, they went down to 140. My cholesterol was 240, it went down to 120. I am no longer a diabetic. I don't have the pains. I have so much more energy. I get up and I've done things around the house that I haven't done in 10 years. When I first had this conversation with Dr. Calapai, he said, you're going to look and you're going to feel like you did 10, 15 years ago. And he was absolutely right. This was absolutely the best decision I made. And it's not something that I heard third hand or second hand. This is something that I'm living. I lived through it. I've seen it. I feel it. I couldn't go up a flight of stairs without holding onto the banister and trying to gasp for breath. Now I run up the stairs. It's absolutely amazing.